Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. For this, first of all, open the LinkedIn application here and then just simply I'm going for block someone here just for the purpose. So what you can do is you can simply tap on his name here and then tap on these three dots and simply tap on this report or block. So just go for this, block this person here, confirm it, and now as you can see this person is blocked. Now how you can unblock him, you have to tap on your profile picture here and simply go for this gear icon, and then in settings you have to go for this visibility. In visibility you have to scroll down and you will see this option blocking. Just simply tap on it and here is that person. Just simply tap on this unblock and you have to enter your LinkedIn password here and simply tap on this unlock again, and as you can see unblock successfully. So that's how you can unblock someone on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.